Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the case study in the chapter Business Environment. The first question, government is considering a pioneer proposal to launch a single debit and come credit card to the increase and easy and uses of the consumer. The card will be called the National Mobility Card, will have the unique advantage of for making the payment in a metro bus parking and making transaction during the visited abroad. After hearing this news, Mega Bank decided to launch the Mega Mobility Card on a similar line so that they could be the first to exploit the opportunity. Arising due to the increased trend of the digitizations in order to improve their performance, they laid down a plan to hire more people in their marketing department and prepared guidelines to train their sales force to market and the new card facilities being launched by the bank. By quoting the line, identify, explain any 2 points of the importance of understanding business environment discussed above. The following points of importance of understanding business environment discuss here. It help the identify the opportunity and get first mover advantage. Means after hearing the news, Mega Bank decide to launch a Mega Mobility Card on a similar line so that they could be the first exploit the opportunity arising due to the increased trend of digitalizations. And the dynamic business environment provide numerous opportunity for the business to involve as per the changing need. Therefore, early identifications of the forthcoming opportunity help the enterprise to be the best exploit them instead of losing them to the competitor. Next point, it help the improving the performance. Improve their performance means sometimes the change in the external environment may pose a threat and hinder in the firm performance. As and awareness about the business environment help the managers to identify such threat on a time and take necessary decision and action. C. It helped in assisting in planning and policy formulation. They laid down a plan to hire more people in the marketing department and prepared guidelines to the transition their sales force. Next point, it helped the firm to identify the threat early warning signal, improve the existing card facilities. The next case is India craft heritage is thriving because of its custom and tradition. Craft products made by the craftsmen of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam, etc. are not only used in the country but also export to USA, Germany, UK, France and other countries of the world. The value of the export of these products given India advantage in balance of payment and the much need foreign exchange. The Prime Minister desired that the handicraft industry should be expanded by linking it with technology. Focus should be on the changing the manufacturing process, ensuring the durability adaptations of the innovations. Quoting the line from the above paragraph, explain the any four dimensions of the business environment. Here are the four dimensions of describe our paragraph. That is first, social environment include the social force like the belief, customer tradition, value, social trend, society expectation from the business. And next, economic environment comprise all those economic force which are likely to be exert influence the functions of business like the economic system, whether it capitalist or socialist mixed economics. Next, technological environment include the force relating to the scientific improvement innovations which provide the new way of producing goods and services, new method of technique operating a business. Next, political environment, these various aspects relating to the functions of government in the country where the business operate also have the importance bearing on the smooth working. Thank you.